We're used to celebrating mechanical marvels and forgotten legends, but today, we're diving into the cars that, despite their potential, have become the automotive equivalent of a tragic misstep. Consumer Reports, the ultimate arbiter of owner satisfaction and reliability, has dropped their latest bombshell for 2026, revealing the vehicles that are, quite frankly, struggling to find a place in driveways. These aren't just unpopular. These are the mechanical tragedies and wasted values that owners regret and the market is largely ignoring. Get ready to uncover the 10 worst cars, according to the latest data, that truly nobody buys. 1. The 2026 GMC Acadia, the reliability riddle. First up, a vehicle that epitomizes the phrase mechanical tragedy, the 2026 GMC Acadia. For a brand synonymous with rugged dependability, the Acadia's abysmal reliability score of just 14 out of 100 is a stark warning. Owners have reported a litany of frustrations, from transmission woes to nagging brake issues and a perplexing array of electronic glitches. This isn't just about minor inconveniences. It's about a fundamental breakdown in engineering that leaves owners questioning the vehicle's very purpose. The Acadia, despite its utility, is a prime example of a once promising machine now struggling to escape a reputation for persistent problems, making it a difficult sell for anyone in the know. 2. The 2026 Rivian R1T, the bleeding edge burden. Next, we look at the 2026 Rivian R1T, a vehicle that promised to revolutionize the electric truck market. With its rugged looks and impressive capabilities, it should have been a slam dunk. However, Consumer Reports data reveals a troubling reliability score of just 18. Early adopters, often hailed as pioneers, are instead experiencing the pain of bleeding-edge technology. From complex software bugs to electrical system gremlins, the R1T's innovative spirit is often overshadowed by frustrating malfunctions. This is a classic case of wasted value, where a vehicle with immense potential is held back by the very complexity that defines it, deterring potential buyers who value proven reliability over unproven innovation. Number 3, the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV, the electric identity crisis. Following the trend of modern disappointments, we have the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer EV. Chevrolet aimed to inject excitement into its electric lineup with this sporty crossover, yet it scored a dismal 19 for reliability. The Blazer EV has been plagued by a cascade of software issues, charging malfunctions, and power delivery problems that have left owners stranded and frustrated. It's a vehicle that struggles to deliver on its electric promise, turning potential eco-conscious buyers away. This isn't just a bad car, it's a wasted opportunity, a promising nameplate tarnished by an uneven execution that leaves it languishing on dealer lots. 4. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid, the compromised complexity. Mazda typically enjoys a reputation for reliability, but the 2026 CX-90 plug-in hybrid tells a different story, earning a reliability score of just 20. While the standard CX-90 performs better, the PHEV variant introduces a layer of complexity that appears to overwhelm the system. Owners are reporting issues with the intricate hybrid powertrain, charging systems, and advanced electronics. Furthermore, a mere 34% of owners would buy it again, signaling deep dissatisfaction. This hybrid, intended to offer the best of both worlds, instead offers a frustrating compromise, a mechanical entanglement that consumers are wisely avoiding. 5. The 2026 Genesis GV60, luxury's reliability lag. Even luxury isn't immune to mechanical tragedy. The 2026 Genesis GV60, a premium electric SUV, limps in with a reliability score of 21. Genesis, Hyundai's luxury arm, has made impressive strides in design and performance, but the GV60 reveals that the devil is in the details when it comes to long-term ownership. Owners have cited issues with its advanced infotainment system, complex charging protocols, and various electrical glitches that betray its luxury promise. When you pay a premium, you expect perfection. And the GV60's reliability struggles mean it's a hard sell in a competitive, high-end market. 6. The 2026 Kia EV9, the next-gen EV growing pains. Kia's ambitious 2026 EV9, a futuristic 3-row electric SUV, also finds itself on the no one buys list with a reliability score of 24. While its design is striking, the early production models are exhibiting the classic growing pains of brand new EV platforms. Reports point to problems with its sophisticated battery management system, infotainment, and various electronic components. For a vehicle poised to be a family hauler, consistent reliability is paramount. The EV9's initial stumbles mean many families are rightly pausing, waiting for the kinks to be ironed out before investing in this otherwise appealing but mechanically challenged EV. 7. The 2026 Kia EV6, the early EV gamble. Another electric entry from Kia. The 2026 EV6 struggles with a reliability score of 25. While it's been praised for its styling and performance, early models have faced issues that impact owner confidence. From charging port malfunctions to battery degradation concerns and software bugs, the EV6 illustrates that even with established automakers, the transition to widespread EV production comes with significant hurdles. This vehicle represents a gamble for early adopters that hasn't always paid off, making it a tough recommendation for buyers who want peace of mind with their electric ride. 8. The 2026 Honda Prologue, the unexpected stumble. Honda, a name synonymous with bulletproof reliability, has an unexpected entry on this list, the 2026 Prologue. With a reliability score of 25 and a mere 37% owner satisfaction, this electric SUV is a genuine shocker. Developed in collaboration with General Motors, the Prologue appears to have inherited some of the issues plaguing other new EVs. Owners are reporting problems with its charging infrastructure, advanced driver assistance systems, and general electronic quirks. This is a profound, wasted value, as Honda's reputation is built on dependability, making the Prologue a mechanical misfire that few are willing to take a chance on. Number 9. The 2026 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, the perennial problem. Some vehicles just can't catch a break, and the 2026 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is one of them. With a reliability score of 26 and a low 43% owner satisfaction, it's consistently flagged by Consumer Reports. This family minivan, while offering impressive fuel economy for its class, suffers from recurring issues across its powertrain, transmission, and complex hybrid system. For busy families, a reliable vehicle is non-negotiable, and the Pacifica Hybrid's persistent problems mean it's often overlooked. It's a mechanical tragedy that continues to plague what should be a highly practical vehicle. Number 10. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee PHEV, the ultimate disappointment. Finally, we arrive at the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee plug-in hybrid, which holds the dubious distinction of having the lowest owner satisfaction on our list, with only 25% of owners saying they'd buy it again. While its off-road prowess is undeniable, the PHEV version introduces layers of unreliability, particularly with its complicated hybrid system. Owners report frequent electrical issues, powertrain glitches, and frustrating software bugs that detract from the Jeep experience. This is the ultimate wasted value. A legendary nameplate struggling with a futuristic powertrain that actively drives customers away. When 3/4 of owners regret their purchase, it's clear this is a car almost nobody is lining up to buy. And there you have it. The 10 vehicles that, according to Consumer Reports' latest insights for 2026, are battling a reputation for unreliability and owner dissatisfaction. These aren't just cars with minor flaws. These are the mechanical tragedies and wasted values that ultimately lead to low sales and buyer regret. It serves as a powerful reminder that even with the most advanced technology or revered badges, fundamental reliability remains king.